Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change your YouTube banner on your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is go to YouTube, and when you want to see what is YouTube banner, so click on your right upper corner. You can see your channel. Just click on your channel in here. You can see this is the banner that appears on the top of your channel whenever anybody visits it. So in order to change it, you can either click on this picture or you can go to customize channel. I'll prefer going to customize channel. And when I reach to YouTube Creator Studio, and I'll be going to click on branding. And in branding, you will see another second option that's called banner image. The first option is the profile picture, which is here, which appears on the main channel. This is the banner image. You want to change it, click on change, and select any particular image that you want to put on your banner. Just click on it, open it, and if the size is not right, it can say to put the right pixels or the right size. You can change it, or you can even change the size using canva.com. Currently I'm not using canva.com, so this size fits perfect. I'll go with it and done. When this one is done, I'll go and click on publish. And then when it's done, I'll go to YouTube to see if it works, and we'll update. Click on YouTube, and in here go to your channel, and boom, it has been changed. So that's very simple on how to change your banner. So if you think this video is really helpful on finding out how to change your banner in YouTube, just make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.